Hello everyone, it's Anvi. Today I am going to draw a washing machine. I love drawing and painting. Please try to do with me. I am drawing the washing machine. Washing machine is very useful washing the clothes, right? Nowadays it is very useful, right? I'm drawing the tub, washing machine tub. Let's draw the legs. It is very easy to draw the washing machine. Please follow the steps. Now I am drawing the buttons part. I am drawing the front load washing machine. It's a front door washing machine. I am drawing the buttons. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Washing machine buttons. It's a big two buttons. Power button and pause or stop button. Now I am using the kind and drawing the door. It's a front door, right? Front washing machine have front door. We have two types of washing machine. One is front washing machine and another top load washing machine. And our washing machine has front door. Now I am drawing the door by using the kinds. It is very easy to draw the washing machine. Please draw with me. Let's dark it. If you dark the drawing, it's look very colorful on you. Now our washing machine is ready. Now let's paint it. Now it's time to paint red color. Which color is your favorite color? I like red color very much. I love drawing and painting. My hobby is drawing. Now let's take another color. It's a blue color. Light green color. Peacock green color. Purple color. Pink color. Dark green color. Wow, our washing machine is ready. Wow, it's so beautiful. Love you all. See you on next video. Bye bye.